Hi, I'm Josh. This is my channel, Newtons per second. Welcome, everybody. I had a very exciting day with the RIMRA Rocket Club out in Rhode Island. I had 3 flights, one being with the Lotus 5. I had one with the Blue Lightning, and I took my Innovate rocket out, which was a project with the mailing tube, and this was like my $35 rocket, but it looks pretty cool, and I had a nice flight with that. So that's what this video is going to cover, kind of like the post-flight report. The Lotus 5 was my second head-end deployment, HED, successful, and I am super excited. The flight went straight. Roxanne said around 3,300 feet, so we're dialing back maybe 3,000 feet. Actually went 3,850, so went way higher than I anticipated. It looked like it almost reached the clouds, so that was I was a little scared. And then we saw it finally making its way back, landing on the edge of the field, popped the main around that 400 or 500 feet. I think I had it set for 500 feet, and landed probably within about 100 feet of field before you reach the trees. So another huge successful launch. And I look at this as another prerequisite flight getting into level 3, so I can show that I'm flying bigger motors, I'm doing the dual deployment with altimeters, things are working, and successful flights to show a level 3 CC, and put it in my application. So again, I'm hoping for next year I'll be ready for level 3. I kind of feel like my confidence is building with these bigger flights that are successful. I know I just learned that LDRS is at Potters, New York, and that's like 3 hours away from me. So maybe if I can get everything lined up right, and I can get, that's like next June, I think. So, maybe I can do my L3 there. I just gotta get the ball rolling, and it's money and stuff like that. So just little thoughts in my head, trying to map out and plan. My second flight is with this rocket, the Blue Lightning, and I've got quite a bit of flights on this already. I sent this up with the RIMRA Rocket Club on an I140 from Aerotech to about an altitude around 1,400 feet. And what made this special for a launch there was to show everybody the French fry parachute that I have created. And where I'm kind of new to the club, not too many people have seen this, and loaded that up in the Blue Lightning, and that was a good show. That was really cool. Everyone seemed to really appreciate it. The only problem I had was with the on Apogee for the recovery. I had the Jolly Logic chute release on here, and it was a tight fit because this is the prototype fry chute, and it's made out of thicker material. I had a hard time stuffing it in here with the Jolly Logic wrapped around. And it was actually the first time I used the chute release with a French fry chute. So what I think what happened at Apogee, as the motor ejection pushed everything out, the rubber band that holds the chute together to the chute release, it was a tight fit and rubbed up against the side of the airframe, and ended up ripping the rubber band. So I think one thing on my end, I didn't check the condition of the rubber band. Usually I change those out every few flights, and I didn't do this, so it might have been already worn. A mistake on my part. I should have checked that. But it's a big field, and the winds were in our favor, so opening up about that 1,400 feet wasn't too big of a problem. The wind just kind of like brought it right back to us and landed, I want to say maybe 200 feet from us, and gave everyone a good show with the parachute. So happy with that flight. The third and last flight I did was with a rocket I call Innovate. This was a previous YouTube project where I just took a regular shipping mailing tube and spare stuff around the house, and I got this thing built up, looking pretty cool. So it's like about like a $35 rocket, and it's been a lot of fun. So I flew this on an Aerotech G72 dark matter motor. This was the first Sparky motor I've ever launched, so I was pretty excited about that. And it flew great. Simmed about that 650 feet. I didn't have an altimeter, but it looked pretty close. 6-second delay was perfect. Popped right at apogee and recovered, I would say, probably less than 100 feet from the pad. So awesome flight, and everyone enjoys seeing those Sparky motors go up. So I'm a big fan. I'd like to get some more bigger ones. Okay, so I'm about to cut to all the videos covering these 3 flights. I just want to mention I got a few more cameras to capture some really cool angles of these flights going up. So I'm trying to improve things the way I'm filming, and I'm really happy with the results from that. So here are the videos.
Okay, on A1, on a K535, nothing in the sky, right?
Nope.
This is projected to go up to
3,000.
3,000 feet. It's got dual deploy.
Missile works altimeter. Yeah.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In the clouds. Yeah, that's in the clouds.
There it goes.
All right.
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. No, it's not.
Nice. Get the flight.
Beautiful.
Wow.
That looks sick.
You're good.
Yeah, it was 22.
Am I good?
You are good. Well, we already know that you can get a rocket out of a tree.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's a shoe release of 400 feet on an I140 on A1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Keep an eye out on the chute. Oh, I've seen you pull them out of trees.
Yeah, he pulls the whole tree down, not the rocket.
If anyone looks on the Facebook page from last month, you'll see him pull this down. He has the whole tree.
So this is gonna look like a box of French fries from McDonald's. Oh, it is. It's coming right down to us.
Oh, good. Rotated.
Oh, that is
Yeah,
nice.
perfect.
Look at that. Box of French fries. Very nice.
Oh, that was.
He makes a lot of custom shoots for any of you guys that are interested.
Awesome.
I'll show you. Ready?
Yeah, this is my first Sparky motor. This would be cool.
This is the Innovate of the G72 Sparky on B6 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that was cool.
Perfect.
Nice.
Cool. All right.
That's a goal.
Again, I'd like to say thank you for all the support, whether it's a like, a subscribe, or you see me on the field and someone says, hey, I like what you're doing on the YouTube channel. That's awesome. That means a lot to me, and it helps promote the channel, but also having another channel covering rocketry helps promote the hobby. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys next video.